Hello guys, today we're talking about how to become rich, not overnight. Everyone dreams of success. Everyone wants a luxury lifestyle. But only a few are willing to do what others won't. Success isn't magic. Luxury isn't luck. They are built through sacrifice, discipline, and an unbreakable mindset. If you're ready to change the way you think and start building the life you deserve, success begins the moment you stop making excuses and start believing in yourself. It's waking up early when others are sleeping. It's working quietly while the world is watching entertainment. It's choosing effort over comfort. Luxury doesn't come first. Hard work does. Every successful person you admire was once doubted, ignored, or underestimated. They failed. They struggled. But they never quit. Because success is not about luck. It's about consistency. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Every struggle builds strength. The people who succeed are not the ones who never fail. They are the ones who never quit. A luxury lifestyle isn't only about expensive things. Real luxury is freedom. Freedom to control your time. Freedom to choose your path. Freedom to support the people you love. That kind of luxury is earned, not shown. If you're watching this right now, remember this. Your past does not decide your future. Your situation does not limit your potential. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Small steps, taken daily, create massive results. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Stay focused when distractions are everywhere. Discipline will take you where motivation cannot. Success is built quietly before it is celebrated loudly. One day, your hard work will pay off. One day, your sacrifices will make sense. And when that day comes, you won't just live a luxury lifestyle. You'll know you truly earned it. Work hard today. If this inspired you, like the video, subscribe for more motivation, and never forget, success is earned, not given. So tomorrow you can live a life others only dream about.